Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your Instagram QR code. So let's start. First, open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. And then tap on QR code. And your QR code will automatically be generated. I have already created my QR code. And you can see it here. If you tap on the screen, you can select any emoji you like. And if you tap on emoji at the top of the screen, you can take a selfie. And if you tap on selfie, you can select any color gradient you like. To change the color, you have to tap on the screen. You can also scan QR code at the bottom of the screen. Now let's change colors. Now if you want to share the QR code, then tap on the share icon on top right corner. You can share it with your friends so that your friends can follow you on Instagram. And when you are done, tap on the cross icon on top left corner. And that's how you can create your QR code. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.